vakatanga kudhara vanhu vachitenga vanhu takatarisa motikari dzaipuhwa kunge madomasi takatarisa vazhinji havana kuziva kuri kuenda chinhu ichi nhasi chauya chaapamberi pedu tatarisana nacho mazimbabwenzi uku kumusoro kuchigoma hakuna chiri kuzobuda uku gemu tisi tinaro mumakumbo ngatisasiye bhora iyi mazimbabwenzi nyaya tisi tinayo iyi uko kumusoro wakapedza uku mari dzakaenda mota dzakaenda dzimba dzakaenda zvese zvakaenda taxpayers money yakaenda hakuna chichabuda uku nyaya tisi tinayo uku maita basa
mhuri yezimbabwe mazvinzwira mukomana achiti game tisi tinaro makumbo ende kumusoro kwa hakuna chiri kubuda. It's very funny. Munoza anonzi conflict of interest. Conflict of interest is a very, very common thing and it's a very dangerous thing, especially for us, the ordinary people, who are not involved in this whole thing. My MPs, ari kunzi iwo avhotere chinhu chokuti hazvizi pamutemo kuti achivhotere chiri kufanira kuvhoterwa nemazimbabweans through a referendum. Vakomana vese vari kunzi vachivhotere chinhu ichi vari kupiwa 2 years. They have a direct benefit from this 2 years, 2 more years in office as members of parliament. Dzimba, malon, motokari vachifamba nemazitoyota aya, macelebrity edu tinawo muzimbabwe ekuti echiziva kuti macelebrity they're coming from the people. Tinawo vapana vana frets, vapana vana japreza, vapana vana endimuridzo, vapana vana chero wafunga nezvake ukafunga mupana comic elder, chero wafunga nezvake almost all of them vakapiwa something. And vasina kupiwa something, they are expecting something. Makamboona inonzi manipulation high level ndo iri kuitika. So mukomana ari kuti isusu ichinhu ichi hachifanira kutombonzi kwanzi chiri kufanira kuvhoterwa muparliament. No, ngachiuye kuvanhu through a referendum. Zvagara zviri mubumbiro remutemo, because that's why zviri mubumbiro remutemo. Kana usingadiwe nevanhu haudiwi. And iwo unokwanisa kugara paugere papo uchiona sokuti iwo une idea kana kuti une ideology kana kuti une plan, an economic plan that is superior, that will help people, that will change Zimbabwean people's lives, that will do this and this, that will make Zimbabwe like China, that will make Zimbabwe like Cuba, that will make Zimbabwe like whatever. But kana vanhu vasingakudi havakudi. You can't buy love. You can't buy love. And there's a reason why people don't love you. There's a reason why people love who they love. And that reason is actually righteous. Chill. People will respect you more. You know, just imagine if President Emerson, I don't know why person an advisor are close to Mnangagwa, anomuuza my brother, you can be father Zimbabwe. Just imagine right now Mnangagwa ubudikira achiti, guys, I promised you kuti I'm a constitutionalist. So vese ava vabudikira vachinditi varuda kundivhotera muna 2030. As I promised kuti I will persuade the persuaders. Now I am saying no to 2030. Come my time in 2028 ndakunozora. Just imagine what will happen. Just imagine how Zimbabweans will love Mnangagwa. Just imagine how they will celebrate him. Just imagine how his legacy will live forever and ever. It will live forever. It will be the example. Anybody who will come and try to manipulate the constitution will always be told, no. We already have father Zimbabweans. You become a Mandela. Do you understand that part? Mandela, South Africa is very blessed because they have Mandela. The first guy, akawana chigaro, akawana chinzvimbo chokuti atonge South Africa, decided zvake after 5 years, no. I'm stepping down. Up to this day, mfese ari pamari. And the mari inoshanda, kwete mari isingashanda. Mandela. Because of that discipline, yanga na yekuti, you know what, I know I am in power. And I know people will vote me. Even Mandela was on a different league because I told Zato Anantom for a second term. And it's allowed on the constitution. But he said no. Just imagine right now with all this tension. Vana ziyambi chinyangadza, vana chichi, vanhu vakatsamwa vachipopota vachioposa a 2030 bill, and then Mnangagwa comes out and say, no guys, like I promised. And then from there, he establishes a brand new, real democratic system, voting system, that will allow whoever wins to sit pachigaro chokuva president. But at the same time, he also writes and makes sure that whoever wins will never have that manipulative power that he or she can change the constitution. That's establishing democracy. That's writing Zimbabwe down for the Zimbabweans. Because I tell you, even my Chinese, China say, but on a real level, they still want democracy. They still say, Xi Jinping, yeah, say. But at the end of the day, we just want freedom. We just want balance. We just want equality. As long as I'm able to convince millions of Zimbabweans to vote for me, they can vote for me. But the good thing is, if I fail, if I give them fake promises, they can remove me after simple 5 years. That's the beauty of democracy. Do you understand? So, pane mazimbabweans mazhinji anenge achiti naiva mnangagwa, why musingateereri kumachannels akaita sana the Mtapa Times? Because they are more, advisors who have wisdom, who are still just straight and aligned to the people, rather than these guys you are surrounding yourself with, who have only one thing, only one thing to benefit: money, more contracts, more business association. Did you understand that unenge wasaraundwa? We really, honestly, that's why I'm sure I'm makomrade achivhunduka nezvezviitwa neumwe comrade wavo. That's why makaona wageza vachibudikira vachiti sure Mnangagwa wakamakirei macomrade. Because at this stage Mnangagwa is surrounded by people who are full of self-interest. These people are making a lot of money from business contracts from the government. And they will praise Mnangagwa like he is God. And he will be surprised and he'll be like, man, am I all of this? But unfortunately, pane chinhu chinonzi munhukadzi. And mukadzi ndio unokwanisa kubelievisa kuti for sure you are all of that. Do you understand? Mukadzi wako unoona kuti enjoy this chigaro baba. Makachipiwa naMwari, makasarudzwa imimi. Just like what these brothers will be saying. And mukadzi wako, please don't listen to that. And don't even copy vana China, muri kuona vana China Inzwai, Xi Jinping wazoita so. It's useless. Xi Jinping at some point is just going to be taken down. It's unavoidable. And there's no peace for people like Xi Jinping. There's just no peace, because even all these other princelings around Xi Jinping, there's just no peace. Look what Xi Jinping have to do now. He have to turn against even the most loyal generals to him. You know this. Why? Because you can't have peace if you have taken a country for granted, if you have taken 1.4 billion people for granted, if you have taken 16 million Zimbabweans for granted. You always have to be changing generals. You always have to be doing all these things. But you could be celebrated. What is more beautiful? What is more powerful? To be celebrated like Nelson Mandela. Mugabe failed. You are selfish. And then look at you, President Mnangagwa. You are 86 years old. Man, you might even die before 2030. And you just die and your name is just going to go down as mad as another dictator or a wannabe dictator. And a thing that in Zimbabwean history. That's exactly where you go. 86, 87, 88 years old. You know yourself. So why would you let the people around you fool you? Look at them. It's just Zigananda. Yes, I know President Mnangagwa is going to respect with people like Tagre, with people like whoever. But these people have crossed the line. Do you understand? They can, you can have a government tender. And that's fine. But if you have 10 government tenders, it's no longer fine. It's already corruption. Yes, you did it simply because maybe you were available. That's corruption. And to our president Mnangagwa, you were loved by the people, even people who were not supporting ZANU-PF. But panikamika that kamunako president Mnangagwa, kamai taridza Zimbabweans with that vision, with that, I'm a constitutionalist and stuff. We know maybe you yourself, you've copied from somewhere who is a dictator, who have also tricked his own people using those same tactics. But I tell you, don't even cross the path and trick your own people with those tactics. Just remain there and watch what happens. How you become a legend. How your family will become legends. Teta kutozwa kuti no. Muri kuona zvakaitwa napresident Mnangagwa. Chimbodaidzai mufana Shoni Mnangagwa atiudze, atibatsire at this stage kuti toita sei. And that legacy of the family name comes from integrity and honesty. So mure Zimbabwe isusu tiripo panapa the Mutapa times, and the people know we are tina side chedu isusu kungoanalyza zvinhu, chedu isusu kungotaura zvinhu apa mazvinzwira imimi citizen achitaura zvaataura. So tiri kuti kumberi nokubatana, kumberi nezvinhu zvakanaka. Garai muri subscribed kuti musasarira kuma-updates akakosha when it comes to utongi hwenyika yedu, leadership hwenyika yedu.